Getting paid early with Monzo is a convenient feature that allows you to access your salary up to a day earlier than your usual payday. To take advantage of this feature, you need to have a Monzo account and be eligible for the early payment. First, ensure you have a Monzo current account and that your employer pays you via Bax. Monzo supports early payments for Bax transactions, which typically take 3 working days to clear. Next, set up your salary payment in the Monzo app by going to the Account tab and selecting the Salary option. You will need to add your employer and salary details to receive payments. Monzo will then notify you when your salary is on its way and give you the option to get paid early. If you choose to get paid early, the amount will be made available in your account the day before your usual payday. Keep in mind that getting paid early with Monzo is subject to certain conditions, such as the timing of your employer's payment and Monzo's ability to process the transaction. It is also important to note that getting paid early does not change your actual payday. It just gives you access to your salary a day earlier. To get the most out of this feature, make sure to keep an eye on your account and notifications from Monzo. This way, you can take advantage of getting paid early whenever it is available. By following these steps and understanding how the early payment feature works, you can enjoy the convenience of getting paid early with Monzo and better manage your finances.